Let's schedule a weekly email summary for a project in Project Workspace. Navigate to Workspaces, Project Workspace, and open your project. Go to More Actions in the navigation bar, then select Email Project Summary. From the Email Project Summary window, choose the cadence that best fits your needs, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. For weekly or bi-weekly summaries, select the specific days you want the summaries. For monthly summaries, choose the specific dates. Then click Schedule and Send to set the cadence. This feature will automatically capture snapshots of your project at the times you specified. The Email Project Summary skill captures various snapshots of your project at different intervals. For instance, if you set a weekly schedule, the skill will capture a snapshot of the project this week and again next week. These snapshots are stored in the back end. The Now LLM service then compares these snapshots to highlight the most important changes that require your attention. The skill generates a summary of these key updates and sends an email to the project manager, complete with links to the relevant project records.